Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this metal bottle cap from Dollar Tree, a napkin from Walmart, and a snow globe ornament from Hobby Lobby. I took one half of the snow globe ornament and traced it out on some cardboard. It's just a leftover gift box I had. And I'm using the white side of it so I don't need to paint it. I added a thin layer of Mod Podge to the cardboard and dried that completely. Next, I opened up the napkin and cut out one section of it, and I went a little over on both sides so it was enough to fit the cardboard. I removed the second layer from the napkin and placed down my image and lined it up on the cardboard. Once I had it placed where I wanted it, I added some parchment paper down and ironed on the napkin to the cardboard. It just reactivates the Mod Podge and sticks down the napkin. In this way, prevents just about all bubbles and wrinkles. I then cut out the excess napkin and placed that aside for now. I took Plaster chalk paint by Waverly, painted the inside rim of the bottle cap and a little bit on the center, and then the entire back, just giving it good coverage. And then I take tacky glue and add it to the back of my cardboard and spread that out all over the back. Next, I place the image down in the center of the bottle cap and just smooth that out. And then I use my heating tool to dry the tacky glue a bit. And then next on the ornament, I cut off the little hanger part with some Fisker shears and just made sure it was going to be lined up nicely. I took faux snow and just poured some over my image and kind of got it in the center for now. And then hot glued around the globe and then placed that down right over the image. And then shook down the snow to the bottom. Next, I'm taking Snow Tex, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and just using a paintbrush to brush it on all around the globe. And it kind of just covers any of the hot glue that's in there and gives it a really neat look. I then dry the Snow Tex and add back in my hanger. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.